Beauty International School presents.
Chapter 20, Chemical Texture Services. Number 1. The chemical texture service that loosens over curly hair or change tightly curl or coiled hair into loose curls or waves is A. Curl softening, B. Curl reforming, C. Alternative waving, or D. Swelling compound. And your correct answer is B. Curl reforming. Number 2. The layer of the hair that provides the strength and elasticity of the human hair is the blank. Is it A. Medulla, B. Regular, C. Cortex, D. Erector? Your correct answer is C. Cortex. Number 3. The natural pH of hair is between A. 4.0 and 5.0, B. 4.5 and 5.5, C. 6.0 and 7.0, or D. 7.0 and 8.0. And your correct answer is B. 4.5 and 5.5. Number 4. In permanent waving, the size of the curl is determined by the blank. Is it A. Position of the rod, B. Length of the hair, C. Wrapping of the rod, or D. Size of the rod? And your correct answer is D. Size of the rod. Number 5. The technique of wrapping hair at an angle of 90 degrees or perpendicular to its base section, is it A. Half off base placement, B. On base placement, C. Off base placement, or D. Full base placement? And your correct answer is A. Half off base placement. Number 6. The two basic types of wrapping the hair around a perm rod are the spiral and the blank. A. Loop technique, B. Coronet perm technique, C. Placement technique, or D. Horizontal technique? And your correct answer is B. Coronet perm technique. Number 7. A reduction reaction involves either the addition of hydrogen or the removal of blank. Is it A. Oxygen, B. Peroxide, C. Carbon, or D. Nitrogen? And your correct answer is A. Oxygen. Number 8. Most cold waves have a pH between A. 9.0 and 9.6, B. 10.0 and 10.8, C. 8.0 and 9.0, or D. 7.6 and 8.5? And your correct answer is A. 9.0 and 9.6. Number 9. The 3 separate components of acid waves are permanent waving solution, activator, and blank. Is it A. Conditioner, B. Stabilizer, C. Neutralizer, or D. Shampoo? And your correct answer is C. Neutralizer. Number 10. An endothermic wave is activated by A. Ammonia lotion, B. An outside heat source, C. A sulfate source, or D. A reducing agent? And your correct answer is B, an outside heat source. Number 11. Permanent wave solution should be rinsed from the hair for at least blank. Is it A, 2 minutes, B, 10 minutes, C, 15 minutes, or D, 5 minutes? And your correct answer is D, 5 minutes. Number 12. The process of rearranging the structure of curly hair into a straightener or smoother form, is it A, chemical hair relaxant, B, chemical smoothing, C, continuation, or D, neutralizing? And your correct answer is A, chemical hair relaxant. Number 13. Thio relaxer usually have a pH above blank. A, 5, B, 10, C, 9, D, 6. And your correct answer is B, 10. 14. Hydrogen ions left in the hair after a relaxer can be neutralized using a blank. Is it A, acid balance shampoo, B, conditioning rinse, C, thio neutralizer, or D, acid free shampoo? Your correct answer is A, acid balance shampoo. Number 15. Which type of relaxer contains, number 15, which type of relaxer contains only one component and is used exactly as it is packaged with no mixing necessary? Is it A, thio relaxers, B, lye-based relaxers, C, metal hydroxide relaxers, or D, acid-based relaxers? And your correct answer is C, metal hydration relaxers. Number 16. Linthanol, hydrogen, potassium hydroxide relaxers are often advertised and sold as blank. Is it A, conditioner relaxers, B, no mix, no lye relaxers, C, no mix, no chemical relaxers, or D, lye relaxers? And your correct answer is B, no mix, no lye relaxers. Number 17. Which type of bonds are relatively weak physical side bonds that are the results of an attraction between negative and positive electrical changes? Is it A, disulfide bonds, B, polypeptide bonds, C, salt bonds, or D, waving bonds? And your correct answer is C, salt bonds. Number 18. Which type of rod is also known as a circular rod? Is it A, loop rods, B, soft bender rods, C, concave rods, or D, straight rods? And your correct answer is A, loop rods. Number 19. For on-base placement, the hair is wrapped at blank beyond perpendicular to its base section and the rod is positioned on this base. Is it A, 180 degrees, B, 15 degrees, C, 90 degrees, or D, 45 degrees? And your correct answer is D, 45 degrees. Number 20. Which of these permanent wave process at room temperature? Is it A, acid balance waves, B, exthermic waves, or C, low pH waves, or D, true acid waves? And your correct answer is A, acid balance waves. 21. Chemical solutions blank the pH of the hair to an alkaline state. Is it A, lower, B, raise, C, neutralize, D, do not affect? And your correct answer is B, raise. 22. When should you perform elasticity tests? Is it A, before perming the hair, B, while perming the hair, C, after perming the hair, or D, never? And your correct answer is A, before perming the hair. Number 23. Porous hair blanks. Is it A, is difficult to penetrate, B, should never be permed, C, can be damaged by a highly alkaline permanent waiver solution, D, could be damaged by a highly acidic permanent waiver solution? And your correct answer is C. It could be damaged by a highly alkaline permanent waving solution. Number 24. GMTG, the primary reducing agent in most acid waves, has a blank. A, no pH, B, neutral pH, C, a high pH, or D, a low pH. And your correct answer is D, a low pH. Number 25. True acid waves have a pH between blank. Is it A, 2.0 and 3.0, B, 4.5 and 7.0, C, 5.5 and 8.0, or D, 6.0 and 9.0? So your correct answer is B, 4.5 and 7.0. Number 26. Ammonia-free waves blank. Is it A, have a very strong odor, B, are very acidic, C, contain some ammonia, or D, have very little odor? And your correct answer is D, have very little odor. Number 27. In permanent waving, most of the processing takes place within the first blank. Is it A, 5 to 10 minutes, B, 10 to 20 minutes, C, 20 to 30 minutes, D, 45 to 60 minutes? And your correct answer is A, 5 to 10 minutes. Number 28. One safety precaution of permanent waving is to blank. Is it A, perm hair that has previously been treated with hydrogen relaxer, B, perm excessively damaged hair, C, examine the scalp before the perm service, D, perform a test for metallic salts only if the client requests it? And your correct answer is C, examine the scalp before the perm service. Number 29. With extremely curly hair, the twists are the blank sections of the hair strands. Is it A, thickest and strongest, B, thinnest and weakest, C, thickest and weakest, or D, thinnest and strongest? And your correct answer is B, thinnest and weakest. Number 30. Relaxers are blank and can literally melt or dissolve hair if used incorrectly. Is it A, extremely alkaline, B, extremely acidy, C, mildly alkaline, or D, mildly acidity? Your correct answer is A, extremely alkaline. Number 31. If the client hair has been treated with a hydrogen relaxer, it means the hair is blank. Is it A, has delcified bonds that are in the process of reforming? Is it B, has strong delcified bonds? C, is ideal for permanent waving? Or D, will not hold a curl when applying a thioelaxer or thermal permanent? Your correct answer is D, will not hold a curl when applying a thioelaxer or thiopermanent. Number 32. A blanket is a perm wrapped in which one end paper is placed under and another is placed over the strand of the hair being wrapped. Is it A, double flat wrap, C, B, bookend wrap, C, crokinole perm wrap, or D, single flat wrap? Your correct answer is A, double flat wrap. Number 33. What type of rods are usually about 12 inches, is 30.5 centimeters long with a uniform diagonal along the entire length of the rod? Is it A, straight rods, B, loop rods, C, soft to bend rods, or D, concave rods? And your correct answer is C, soft bender rods. Number 34, thioglycolic acid, blank. Is it A, has no odor, B, is a common reducing agent, C, is dark in color, or D, has a pleasant scent? And your correct answer is B, is a common reducing agent. Number 35, the blank is the innermost layer of the hair. Is it A, the cortex, B, the base, C, the medulla, or D, the cuticle? And your correct answer is C, the medulla. Number 36, the parting and base radiate throughout the panels to follow the curve of the head, and which type of wrap? Is it A, brick-lay permanent wrap, B, double flat wrap, C, spiral perm wrap, or D, curvature permanent wrap? And the correct answer is D. The correct answer is D to number 36, is curvature permanent wrap. Number 37, the chemical bond that joins amino acids together are called blank. Is it A, hydrogen bonds, B, peptide bonds, C, disulfide bonds, or D, thio bonds? And your correct answer is B, peptide bonds. Number 38, a blank is a type of perm wrap in which the hair is wrapped at an angle other than perpendicular to the length of the rod. Is it A, spiral perm wrap, B, straight set wrap, C, basic perm wrap, or D, bookend wrap? And your correct answer is A, spiral perm wrap. Number 39, which of the following is a method of hair straightener that combines the use of thio-relaxer with flat ironing? Is it A, a weave technique, B, Japanese thermal straightener, C, thio-neutralization, or D, no base relaxing straightener? And you continue on chapter 20. We up to question number 40. 40. Which type of relaxer requires the application of a protective base cream to the entire scalp prior to the application of the relaxer? Is it A, hydrogen relaxer, B, no base relaxer, C, thio relaxer, or D, base relaxer? And your correct answer is D, base relaxer. Number 41. The middle layer of the hair is the blank. A, medulla, B, cuticle, C, cortex, D, base. The correct answer is C, cortex. Number 42. Which of these terms refer to the angle at which the rod is positioned on the head, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally? Is it A, base placement, B, base direction, C, base insertion, D, base reduction? And the correct answer is B, base direction. Number 43. A blank is a type of wrap that uses one end paper folded in half over hair ends like an envelope. Is it A, basic permanent wrap, B, cotative permanent wrap, C, brick-lay permanent wrap, or D, bookend wrap? And your correct answer is D, bookend wrap. Number 44. A blank is a wrapping pattern in which all the rods within the panel move in the same direction and are positioned on equal size bases. Is it A, basic permanent wrap, B, crokinole perm wrap, C, double rod wrap, or D, bookend wrap. And your correct answer is A, basic permanent wrap. Number 45. Which of these are usually classified as a lye-based relaxer? Is it A, methyl hydrogen relaxer, B, carbonate hydrogen relaxer, C, sodium hydroxide relaxer, or D, iron hydroxide relaxer? And your correct answer is C, sodium hydroxide relaxer. Number 46. Which rods are equal in diagonal along the entire length or curling area? Is it A, straight rods, B, loop rods, C, concave rods, D, convert rods? And your correct answer is A, straight rods. Number 47. Which of these terms refers to the thickness or thinness of a liquid? Is it A, duration, B, viscosity, C, intensify, or D, amperage? And your correct answer is B, viscosity. Number 48. The blank is the tough exterior layer of the hair. Is it A, the cuticle, B, the medulla, C, the base, or D, the cortex? And the correct answer is A, cuticle. Number 49. Which of these terms refer to the position of the rod in the relation to its base section? Is it A, base altitude, B, half off base placement, C, base direction, or D, base placement? Your correct answer is D, base placement. Number 50. A blank is a type of wrap in which the hair is wrapped on one rod from the scalp to midway down the hair shaft, and another rod is used to wrap the remaining hair strand in the same direction. Is it A, spiral perm wrapping, B, double flat wrapping, C, piggyback wrapping, or D, bricklay permanent wrap? And your correct answer is C, piggyback wrap. Number 51. Which of these stops the action of waving solution and rebuilds the hair into a new curly form? Is it E, lanthanization, B, thioneutralization, C, hydrogenation, or D, peptide concentration? And your correct answer is B, thioneutralization. Number 52. Long chains of amino acids joined together by peptide bonds are known as blank. Is it A, neutralization chains, B, monopeptide chains, C, amino acid chains, or D, polypeptide chains? And your correct answer is D, polypeptide chains. Number 53. The process by which hydrogen relaxer permanently straighten hair is called blank. Is it A, lanthanization, B, permanent waving, C, normalization, or D, dulcified bonding? And your correct answer is A, lanthanization. Number 54. Hydrogen bonds can be broken by blank. A, only water, B, only heat, C, either with water or heat, or D, neither water nor heat. And the correct answer is C, either water or heat. Number 55. The reducing agent used in permanent waving solution is commonly referred to as blank. Is it A, hydrogen, B, thio, C, sulfate, D, dulcified? And your correct answer is B, thio. Number 56. Manufacturer Add an alkaline agent to waving solution because the acid in the solutions is blank. Is it A, swells the hair? Is it B, penetrates into the cortex? C, both swells the hair and penetrate into the cortex? Or D, does not swell the hair or penetrate into the cortex? And your correct answer is D, does not swell the hair or penetrates into the cortex. Number 57. 57, a pH of 7.0 blank than the pH of hair. Is it A, 10 times more alkaline, B, 100 times more alkaline, C, 10 times more acidy, or D, 100 times more acidy? And your correct answer is B, 100 times more alkaline. Number 58. Most of the acid waves found in today's salon have a pH between blank. Is it 7.8 and 8.2? Is it B, 9.5 and 10.5? Is it C, 3.8 and 4.2? Or is it D, 4.5 and 5.5? And your correct answer is A, 7.8 and 8.2. Number 59. Which of the following is not considered a main component of an exothermic wave? Is it A, permanent waving solution, B, neutralizer, C, activator, or D, concentrator? Your correct answer is D, concentrator. Number 60. An endothermic chemical reaction is one that absorbs blank from its surrounding. Is it A, moisture, B, energy, C, heat, or D, light? And your correct answer is C, heat. Number 61. Which type of perm is recommended for extremely porous hair? Is it A, true acid waves, B, exothermic waves, C, ammonia-free waves, or D, alkaline waves? And your correct answer is A, true acid waves. Number 62. What is the most common neutralizer? 62. What is the most common neutralizer? Is it A, ammonia, B, hydrogen peroxide, C, sodium chloride? I repeat. Number 63. When rinsing the hair, after the hair is recommended processing time has elapsed, it is recommended that you blank. A, never rinse for longer than 20 seconds. Is it B, make sure the hair is still moderately moist before neutralizing? C, smell the hair to determine if it still smells like perm in solution? Or D, aggressively block the hair? Your correct answer is C. Smell the hair to determine if it still smells like perm in solution. Number 64. Japanese thermal straightening. Is it A, is a recommended service for extremely curly hair? B, usually take about 30 minutes. C, is appropriate for all color treated hair? Or D, is sometimes called thermal reconditioning? And the correct answer is D. It's sometimes called thermal reconditioning. Number 65. Mild strength relaxer are formulated for blank. Is it A, normal hair texture with a medium natural curl? Is it B, fine color treated or damaged hair? Or C, Very coarse, extremely curly hair, or D, resistant hair with little damage. And your correct answer is B, fine colored, treated, or damaged hair.